Welcome to Crypto Wake Up, your Bitcoin and crypto news and analysis. My name is Kris. Now let's go have some fun. Now Bitcoin is standing tall at 6,400. Coin market cap, well, it's moving up. Altcoins seem healthy, and two of the biggest losers are stablecoins. Be proud of your crypto today. Today's resistance is at 6,600 and support's at 5,900. And the crystal ball forecast is a nice constructive green day. It's always good to be optimistic, not financial advice. Now the factor which forecasted our drop to 38,000 has just begun to flip bullish. Bitcoin miners have begun to sell more coins than they are mining, which is contrary to what happened before the dump. Now is right now the time to buy Bitcoin? Well, if you like to follow the advice of Tony Vays, then yes, it's a great time to dollar cost average in. But our future might hold a bit of price correction. It has been tough for Bitcoin to break 6,900 and the 100 weekly moving average. And there are three indicators that are showing we have more downside. The TD sequential that called the $14,000 top is calling for another drop. Also the stochastic RSI and the MACD are showing bearish signals on the daily.
Why make trillions when we could make billions? A trillion is more than a billion, numbnuts.
The creation of trillions of dollars to bail out the economy is free advertising for Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin didn't receive a bailout and rallied 80%. And many are speculating that this economic and pandemic event might cause a revolutionary economic systematic change. In 1944, the template of our current economic system was discussed and brought forth in a Brenton Woods hotel in New Hampshire, which made the US dollar the global currency. Now before the coronavirus, the Bank of England floated the idea of a synthetic hegemonic currency, and China was on the brink of creating its own digital currency, and Facebook was continuing the creation of Libra. And of course also in the running is Bitcoin, with a decade of infrastructure and testing all ready to go, created from a financial crisis for a financial crisis. It's hard to say if the world central banks will want to be part of a US dollar, especially when the Federal Reserve keeps mentioning it will print an infinite amount of US dollars to bail out the US economy.
Manure! I hate manure!
Now the Wall Street Journal has claimed an approaching bull market for Wall Street, and Bitcoiners and many have called this horse manure. 3 million unemployed is not bullish, and the market volatility of the S&P 500 over the last month is greater than Bitcoin. The fact is, unless the world starts to fundamentally change, such as people like me get back to work and produce and spend, there will be nothing bullish about the market today. Right now, currently, the markets are just a hot mess, and they will be until we can bring some normalcy back to the world, and most of all, until all of us can be safe and healthy. Alright, thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed it, support it, hit like, follow, subscribe. Please leave a comment. All these things help the channel a lot. And again, thank you guys so much. Have a fucking awesome day. See you tomorrow.